try that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Huh. So
Okay.
kind of like a guitar where you
I
have,
missed it. I didn't see you play that one. I didn't get to see you play that one.
try this one.
This one?
We got entertainment today, Ron.
I,
John Dammer's here with his button accordion. No, John?
Wow, that's beautiful.
this
I
one,
love the accordion too. It's so pretty.
this is a little different. Well, it sounds different. That's about it.
Play it the same.
I got this one out of Wisconsin. This one come out of, I had to go to California, and I got it out of West Virginia
Really?
on the East Coast.
Wow.
My daughter helped me get that one.
The splitter. They're
Wow. I love it.
Do you?
So tell me again, so how long ago was that you were over and you were doing gonna do KP duty and instead you got to play your accordion?
Oh, that was in between 44 and 46.
So a few years ago.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's a great story.
This is what the Worthington Globe put out for me.